Hello, my name is Barbie Bio and I am doing a review on this tripod sprinkler. I bought it at Home Depot and I was a little leery about buying it because it was expensive, $39. But I bought 3 of them and, just kind of went with it. So anyways, I absolutely love it. It's great, easy to move, it's a wonderful product. So anyways, it is called a Melnor Premium Brass Impact Sprinkler on Tripod. Covers up to 85 feet in diameter. It also has a lifetime warranty. The SKU number is 897926. The only problem I noticed is when I moved it with the hose attached to it, this part right here would come undone and be spraying water. So I would definitely take off the hose and then move the tripod first and then move the hose, unless you can hold onto the hose tightly and carry it together. There you have it.